About to spray the Ranger, Heavy 2023. So this is the Proton Plus wet kit from Nitrous Express. Comes in right around $500. I'm going to go ahead and show you what you get in the box. So we got a 10-pound bottle. This one's going to be all of our supply lines, as long as our relay and our clamps to hold the bottle down. This is going to be our wide open throttle switch, solenoid, and this is our fuel line taps. We also got a Nitrous Express plate frame and some Nitrous Express stickers. So I got this 1998 Ranger pulled into the garage. This is a stock 2.5 Lima, has 215,000 miles, and we're going to go ahead and start getting our Nitrous kit installed. Hey guys, me and Turbo the Bird here from the future. If you could give this video a like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. So I got the holes drilled and mounted the bottle brackets in the bed of the Ranger. I got the bottle on there already, and I'm about to take it out, cut the mat, and then drill some holes in the bottom of this tote so I can stash this away in the tote, which should keep it out of the elements and keep everybody from seeing it. So I got the tote and everything all bolted down, the bottle's nice and tight, and I'm about to drill my hole and put my feed line down under the car and run it up to the front under the hood. So I got the bottle and brackets mounted in the bed as well as the feed line on. It all fits pretty conveniently inside the tote. It's all bolted down. I have the feed line coming all the way up the frame rail, away from everything that's moving. It comes out over here under the accumulator. I ran it around the long way and fed it to the solenoid here. Inside the cab here, I went ahead and wired my nitrous arm switch, and this is going to prevent me from spraying nitrous accidentally when I don't want to, like, you know, when I'm driving to work every day. So this only works with the key on, so when I have key on, I can go ahead and arm the nitrous from the switch, and if I don't want it, I can just turn it off. So I got my fuel feed hooked up to the solenoid, and here I used a fitting from Nitrous Express that is 1/16 of an inch to 4 An. On the intake tube, I went ahead and drilled a hole and put the fitting in with the lock nut using some RTV for the nozzle to spray into the intake. So the nitrous kit I ordered uses a micro switch to control spraying when you go wide open throttle versus just using a button in the cab. So they give you this super cool bracket to mount the micro switch to. I have it mounted where the cruise control cable was because that one was broken anyway. And when I go full throttle, you can hear it click the micro switch, which is going to spray the nitrous. So we got everything all hooked up here. We're heating the bottle up right now, and we got a 50 shot plumbed in, so we're going to see how it does on that. Okay, so this is going to be a moderate dash to 50, NA, no nitrous, and we're going to go when this light turns green. About to spray the Ranger, that'd be 2023. So me and Turbo the Bird here decided that if this video gets 250 likes, we'll up it to a 75 shot, and if it gets 500 likes, we'll go to a 100 shot. Thanks for watching.